Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use public scooters, easy method. Unlock the app, scan the QR, and follow the prompts to start your ride. Wear a helmet if available and check brakes and tires before you depart. Ride in bike lanes or low traffic areas, obey signals, and keep both hands on the bars. Park responsibly in designated zones and end the ride in the app to avoid extra charges. Check the scooter for damage, loose parts, or low battery before you start. Adjust your speed to conditions and practice braking gently in a quiet area to build confidence. Keep both hands on the bars, watch for potholes and debris, and use lights at night with reflective clothing. Yield to pedestrians, obey local rules, and avoid sidewalk riding where prohibited to stay safe and courteous. Remember to lock the scooter if pausing to prevent theft. Sign up in the app, add a payment method, and accept terms to rent a scooter. Check the pricing section for unlock fees, per-minute rates, and any daily caps so you know cost up front. Watch for promo codes or subscription plans that lower per-ride prices. If you plan frequent trips, compare time limits and rebalancing fees to choose the best service for your routine. Save receipts for disputes and check ride history after each trip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.